Hello, I'm Lolita. Today I will take you to visit Guangdong Haixing Holding Group. Let's go. This is our central feeding system area. This central water supply system provides chilled water and room temperature water. It increases productivity by more than 30% compared to traditional workshops. We invite technicians to take us to visit 5G Digital Smart Workshop. This is the central feeding system, by which the raw materials can be transported to color master batch machine and get stirred. Finally, it can be plasticized by injection molding machine and injected into the mold until it's cooled and molded. Robots take out products from the mold to the conveyor belt and stack products, so that fewer workers can manage multiple machines. In front of us is the Intelligent Forklift, AGV for short. It will send the qualified product to transit area. This is a 100,000 grade dust-free workshop to ensure that full contact products can be produced in a clean, hygienic, and safe environment. Now we get to packaging workshop. This is an automatic packaging line. It can realize the whole process of packaging, such as automatic assembling, bagging, and sealing of products. Here is one of our finished product warehouse, neatly arranged according to different products. The quality inspection department will randomly check the products before they are shipped out. The tested products are ready to be shipped to you in containers. Finally, let's take a look at the showroom. Haixing has a wide range of products. There are more than 12,000 items divided into such categories as kitchen, storage, bathroom, and gardening, thus meeting customers' need for one-stop purchasing.